Nuevos Amigos! How are you doing today? It's good to see you again. Have you been busy learning more new things in school, in la escuela? I thought so. School is such a wonderful place to be. In our last lesson, we learned how to say good morning, buenos días, and good night, buenas noches. Did you practice saying buenos días this morning when you got up? Excelente! Today is a great day, and we have many fun things to learn. So let's begin and sing our hello song together.
Hola amigo, hola amiga, hola amigo, hola amiga, hola amigos, hola amiga, hola nuevos amigos.
Where are you right now, Nuevos Amigos? Yes, you are in your classroom in a school. Tell me the word for school in Spanish. Muy bien. School in Spanish is escuela. There are many kinds of buildings in our community. We've learned the word for house, casa, and for school, escuela. Another kind of building that we see and visit in our neighborhood is a store. The word for store in Spanish is tienda. Listen closely. Tienda. Now say it after me. Tienda. Let's say it together. Tienda. A tienda is a building where you can go to buy things. At a shoe store, we buy shoes. At a grocery store, we can buy food. I think we should visit some of the stores in our community and see what kinds of things they sell. Let's go look. Vamos a ver. Tienda. 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 We have many stores in our community that sell all kinds of things. Many stores have signs in the window or door that say open or closed. These signs tell us if the store is ready for the customers to come in to shop or to come back later when the store is open for business. In Spanish, the word for open is abierto, and the word for closed is cerrado. Let's learn how to pronounce abierto. Open. Listen. Escuchen, nuevos amigos. Abierto. Abierto. Say the parts of the word after me. Abierto. Now say it after me. Abierto. Let's say abierto together. Abierto. Muy bien. Abierto means open. Now let's learn how to say closed. Cerrado. Listen to me pronounce the parts of the word. Cerrado. Now repeat after me. Cerrado. Say it after me. Cerrado. Say it with me, nuevos amigos. Cerrado. Perfecto. Perfect, nuevos amigos. Now you know how to say abierto, open, and cerrado, closed. Let's look at the stores in our video again and notice if the signs say abierto o cerrado.
Abierto. cerrado, abierto, cerrado, abierto.
Amigos, we use the words open or closed, abierto o cerrado, to describe other things too. Can you think of anything else that can be open or closed? I have tres cosas to show you. I have a book. The book is closed, cerrado. I will open it. Abierto. Now the book is open. Here is a container. Now it is open. Abierto. Now it is closed. Cerrado. Here's the refrigerator from our casa. Is it cerrado o abierto? Yes, it is cerrado, closed. Now it is abierto, open. Since we've learned how to say open and closed, abierto and cerrado, I want to play a game with you. It's called the yes or no game. I will ask you some questions and you will answer the questions using the words for yes and no in Spanish. These words are easy and short. I know you can do this. Yes in Spanish is sí. Say it with me, sí. No in Spanish is no. Say it with me, no. Sí means yes and no means no. Is this book abierto? Sí o no? Sí, the book is abierto, open. Is this container cerrado? Sí o no? No, the container is not closed. It is open, abierto. Is the refrigerator abierto? Sí o no? Sí, the refrigerator is open. El refrigerador está abierto. Fabuloso, nuevos amigos. Look at the color on our refrigerator. Do you know what color this is in Spanish? We learned it in our last lesson. Wow, you all are so quick. Yes, the color is amarillo. Amarillo is yellow. That reminds me, we have another color to discover. Let's visit with Coco and find out the color for today. Hola, Coco.
Hola, Señorita Garcia. Hola, nuevos amigos. I'm holding something special behind my back. It will show you the color for today. If you will count to 3 in Spanish with me, I'll show you what it is. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3. Look! It's a duck, a green duck. Verde. Quack, quack. The color green is almost everywhere in the world. The grass and trees are green. Can you see green, verde, in these things?
Verde, 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 verde.
Amigos, let's learn how to say verde together. Repeat after me. Verde. Verde. Now let's say it together. Verde. Perfecto, nuevos amigos. Coco had a green duck in his hand when he brought us the color for today. I have something in my pocket that is also verde. Un cuadrado verde, a green square. Let's review what we know about the shape of the square, the cuadrado. A square has 4 sides that are the same. See? Trace the shape of the cuadrado with your finger on your desk or on the floor. Muy bien. Very good. Let's take the shape of the cuadrado and make another pattern. We have a cuadrado verde here on our board. I'll take a cuadrado azul and put it here. What comes next? Un cuadrado verde. Correcto. What comes next, nuevos amigos? Un cuadrado azul. Then, what comes next? Un cuadrado verde. And our last cuadrado will be, what color? ¿Qué color? Azul. Un cuadrado azul. Muy bien. Qué excelente, niños. You can make a pattern using colors even when the shape is the same.
What is a square with sides the same? Cuadrado. The wooden board for a checker game. Cuadrado. A slice of cheese, a TV screen, a table napkin to keep you clean. Cuadrado.
4, 4,
The number 4 looks like this.
4, 4,
Our number today is 4. Cuatro. Let me say it for you. Cuatro. Cuatro. Now repeat after me. Cuatro. Let's say it together. Cuatro. One more time. Cuatro. Bien, nuevos amigos. Let's count all of the numbers we know in Spanish. Vamos a contar. 1, 2, 3. What number comes next? Sí. Yes, our number for today is cuatro. Say it with me again. Cuatro. Let's add the number 4, el número 4, to our number train. Excelente, nuevos amigos. And now we're going to add this to the other number trains. Muy bien. Now let's count the number trains together. Vamos a contar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's count the sides of the cuadrado, the square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your dedo mágico and draw the number 4 in the air with me. Clap your hands together with me 4 times and count in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4. Muy bien, nuevos amigos. Now let's look at groups of 4.
4 buttons. 4 botones. 4 puppies. 4 cachorros. 4 flowers. 4 flores. 4 dancers. 4 bailarines. 4 fish. 4 peces.
Let's play another game called Find and Count. Busca y cuenta. Look at this picture of a tienda. I will ask you some questions, and you must count and tell me in Spanish how many things you see. Let's begin. Vamos a comenzar. Find the windows in the tienda. How many windows do you see? Do you know? Yes? There are 3 windows. 3. Let's count them in Spanish. Vamos a contar. 1, 2, 3. What number do you see on the door? Did you say uno? Sí, correcto. The number 1 is on the door. Uno. Look for the flower pots in the picture. How many flower pots do you see? Did you say dos? Muy bien, nuevos amigos. There are 2 flower pots. Uno, dos. One more question. Can you tell me how many balloons are in the picture of the tienda? Did you say dos? No, I don't think so. Look again. Did I hear cuatro? Sí, there are 4 balloons in the picture. Vamos a contar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nuevos amigos, you did very well. Now let's count our numbers together one more time in Spanish. Vamos a contar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excelente, mis estudiantes. Excellent, my students. Nuevos amigos, we've had a great lesson today. Now it's time for our review. Let's go over what we've learned and put our new Spanish vocabulary words on our word wall. Our first new word in today's lesson was tienda, store, and we talked about the kinds of stores you can find in your neighborhood. We also learned about the signs at the store that tell us if the store is open, abierto, or closed, cerrado. I then taught you the words in Spanish for yes, sí, and no, no. We played the yes and no game and decided if some of our classroom items were open or closed. Coco asked us to count to 3 and then showed us the color of the day by revealing a toy duck that was green, verde. We also looked at things that are verde. We reviewed the shape of the cuadrado and made a pattern using verde and azul. Cuadrados. Cuadrado means square. Our number for today was cuatro. Cuatro means 4. We learned how to say and write cuatro. And we practiced counting from 1 to 4. Uno al cuatro. We also played a counting game called Find and Count. Busca y cuenta. Muy bien. We've accomplished a lot today and have come to the end of our lesson. I think you've done a fantastic job. Han hecho un trabajo fantástico. Practice your new vocabulary words and use the words sí and no with your family and friends this week. I look forward to seeing you again, nuevos amigos. So remember, when you learn a new language, you also make new friends. Adios!